Pleasant evening to all. My name is Ankitha, studying BCom General first year from TSWR DCW Jagadgirigota. I am now going to teach you on word root, prefixes and suffixes of English language. So as we all know, English language is a widely spoken language throughout the world. Around 124 countries has first language as English. Let us go through our topic. That is word roots, prefixes and suffixes. So before entering into the topic, before stepping into the topic, let us know the meaning of these words. What are the words? Word roots, prefixes and suffixes. So the first word, word root. What does a word root mean? Word root is nothing but a simple form of a word. Okay? Word root is nothing but a simple form of a word. And coming to the second one, that is prefix. Prefix is a word segment which is used in front of a word. And coming to the next one, suffix. Word root is a simple form of a word. Prefix is a word segment used in front of a word. And what could be the suffix? Suffix is a word segment. It is a word segment used at the end of a word. Right? So, word root is a simple form of a word. Prefix is a word segment which is used in front of a word. Suffix is a word segment which is used at the end of a word. Is that clear? Now, let us go through the examples of word roots. So, word root. What do we have discussed about word root? It is a simple form of a word, right? So, it can be taken as able. We shall take the word able. And coming to the prefix. What does a prefix mean? It is a word segment which is used in front of a word, right? So, let us go with an example. That is UN, EX, DIS, etc. are the word segments which are used in front of a word. And coming to the suffix. The third one, suffix. What does a suffix mean? Suffix is nothing but a word segment which is used at the end of the word, right? So let us go with the examples, that is less, hood, why, etc. the examples of suffix. So combining of word roots with prefixes and suffixes forms a new word. It gives birth to new words itself. So let us see some examples of word root combining with prefix and suffix, right? So let us go with the thing. For example, here is a word UN. What is UN? UN is a prefix, right? So UN is a prefix. So what is the example that we have taken to the word root previously? That is able. So let us go with the root word able. What is the prefix here? Prefix is UN. So combining root plus prefix, it gives rise to root plus prefix giving rise to unable, right? This is an example. And coming to the example of suffix, if we take what we have discussed about the suffixes examples, it can be y. Okay, suffix. So root word. What is a root word? Able, right? So root plus suffix. If we combine these both, we can have the word like ably, able. Sorry, the word is ably. Ably, it is a word ably. So let us go with some more examples of word root combining with prefix and suffixes. Okay? Let us take the word preview. So if you go into this word, what can you find? What is a word? What is a thing can you find? There are two words in this one. What is that? P-R-E is a prefix. Okay, it is a word segment prefix. And view is a word root. How can you say that preview? In preview, view is a word root and PRE is a prefix. So in this view, what does a view mean? View is a thing which we can say like seeing or anything else. So the must and thing that we must have to remember in word root and prefix and suffixes is the word root must have to contain a meaning. So in this, the word root's meaning can be changed by adding prefix or suffix. It can be against or it can be positive, anything or whatever it is. The meaning of word root can be changed. That is a thing which is noticed in word root prefixes and suffixes. Let us go with some more examples. Uncomfortable. So in this, anyone can guess what is prefix, what is suffix and what is word root. This word is combined with all these things. It is combined with prefix, it is combined with suffix, it is combined with word root itself. So if we go through this, UN is a prefix. Okay? And comfort is a word root. Able is a suffix. Right? This is the thing. Thank you for everyone for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And as we all know, we are fighting against the corona. Be masked everywhere and sanitize your hands for every 20 minutes. Be a warrior in fighting against corona. Thank you everyone. Jai Bhim. Stay home, stay safe.